Hi guys, it's Eileen here and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you enjoy my video and I hope that you give it a great big thumbs up and I hope you subscribe to my channel. So today I'm here showing you my garden. I always talk about my garden. My garden is something I really enjoy. We planted these trees or shrubs last year. And you can see on the bottom here, I have lined up all my little annuals here. This is my little red maple, my baby. I had moved from my backyard to the front and I'm thrilled that it survived the move. I'm gonna hang up this little geranium that my baby boy bought me for Mother's Day. I have here some lawn ornaments and I have my garden flag from the Dollar Tree. And I have my hanging pots here. My cats, because I love cats in my garden area, as you see. I have here my mandevilla I am going to plant in the ground with the trellis behind it because it's going to creep up all around it. And these are dianthus that I'm going to plant in the ground. And I'm going to get started with all that. I'm going to show you the finished garden at the end. You need food for your flowers, and I have this Miracle Grow Shake and Feed. I first get my plant out the little pot. I loosen up the roots. I shake this in the hole, and then we're good to put it in and pack up the dirt. And at the end, you just tidy up the little mulched areas that got messed up when planting your little flowers. So I used this mulch for the first time. This is actually so interesting. This is made from rubber tires, if you could see here. It has a really bright black, crisp color. I use this Vigoro Espresso black rubber mulch. It saves time and money, it says. This Vigoro mulch has a 12-year color guarantee. It costs twice as much as regular wood mulch, so definitely keep your receipt. Make sure that it works. And I'm gonna get planting on my flowers now and I'll be back. Stay tuned. I've laid all my flowers out along my garden and now I'm ready to get started. I have my Shake and Feed. This is very good to help your flowers grow. And all you have to do is slightly loosen the roots at the ends of your flower. You push your mulch and dirt out of the way. You could use a trowel or a little shovel like I am. Shake some food inside the hole. These are loose, ready to go in. And then you just pack it all up again. And I'm going to keep doing that until all of my flowers are in my flower bed. My garden is finally completed. All the flowers I have planted. You can see my little decorations. Those are the Dollar Tree ones. And it really came out fabulous. So happy with the outcome of my flowers. Alright guys, my garden is finally complete. I really hope you enjoy getting a little sneak peek on what my garden looks like at home. Of course, I want to keep doing it up and getting it bigger and greater each year. So if you liked my video, please give it a great big thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you get notified of all my future uploads. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!